Karin, you work with leaders in the manufacturing industry for about 20 years now. Many of them have taken different tests, such as DISC, True Colors, Myers-Briggs, you name it. Does that actually make them better leaders?
Honestly, no. I have seen it so many times, even in my time when I worked at Magna, that the company invested in these assessments, but then they actually landed in the drawer. If they were lucky, the people would read it, but often those assessments were not even discussed. And it's not really about what personality type am I. The real question is, how does my personality show up when I'm under pressure? So this means, does your analytical style make you forget saying good morning? Um, does your action-oriented style make you change direction halfway through the meeting and people get frustrated when they're prepared for something else? Or does the organized style make you inflexible in your approach? So a personality assessment isn't valuable because it gives you a label. It's valuable because it helps you to adjust the behavior. So theory doesn't change culture, behavior does.
Oh, that's very interesting. Now, can you tell us more?
Yeah, I coach leaders who tell me my team frustrates me, they are so difficult, they don't communicate. It's always pointing at somebody else. And of course, I listen because they go through their own frustrations, but then I start ask them questions, and sometimes this can even make you uncomfortable because you are not used to it. So, for example, tell me a little bit about yourself. What is your story? Why do you do what you do? What motivates you? What drains your energy? Why do you react the way you do? And many of the people have never really thought about this. So this is really valuable because when you're in a leadership position, you are often responsible for a group of people with different personalities and sometimes even from different cultures.
Hmm. Could you give us an example?
Absolutely. So, an analytical person may walk in the office and go straight to work, and no good morning, no small talk. A people oriented leader may think this is rude, but it's just a different focus. So the person who is focused on the people focuses on the people first. Analytical people focus on results and getting the work done. So it's really a shift on what they look at. Then an action-oriented leader may walk in the office and say, "Let's change direction." Because last night I thought about something else. And so this leader may feel super excited, but the rest of the team gets frustrated because yesterday you said we go left and today you say we go right. So nobody is wrong. It's just a difference in approach.
So, what's the biggest mistake leaders make?
The biggest mistake is to assume that everybody should think the way you do. This is simply impossible because people have, of course, different personalities, different upbringing, different cultures, and great leaders really understand what drives them, and they focus on understanding themselves first because this helps them then to lead the people better. And unfortunately, oftentimes this is not where the focus goes. The focus always goes right to the team. So it's leadership isn't communicating about the way you like to communicate. It's about communicating so that your team is able to receive it.
Hmm. So, Karen, what's the assignment this week?
The assignment is very simple. Uh, I want you to be the student yourself this week. So every time when somebody frustrates you, annoys you, analyze yourself. Ask yourself, why is this bothering me so much? And you will be amazed what you discover. And maybe you discover that you value structure and the other person values flexibility. Or maybe you discover that you need recognition, but the other person doesn't need recognition as much as you do. So it's really about understanding, what's going on within you. So the goal this week isn't to understand your team, it's to understand yourself, because the most important person you will ever lead is yourself.
So, the moment you understand yourself better, you'll start understanding everyone else better.
Mhm.
If this message resonated with you, subscribe to our channel. Every week, Karin and I share practical leadership insights to help you build stronger leaders, healthier cultures, and better workplaces. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.